Hello and welcome to Code Redefined. Today I'll be showing you how to get the information through API into the function. So to begin with, we have to import request from Flask. Import request. Save the file. So I have got the request here. Now for the get API, I'll start writing. So get API, I'll take the information as query params in get API. So we'll start writing the function. We'll write for get API. We'll get name is equal to request dot args dot get and then the param. Okay, the param will be name. If I want another param to be passed, I'll just take another param. Company is equal to request dot args dot get then company. I'll print both the values, name company I formatted it properly. I'll save it. Once I save it, and I will run the API. I'll put debug point here. Now we will start the API. We will click on the debug mode of PyCharm. As soon as I click, we can see the server has started on 5000 port. Let us go and check on browser if the API is working. On browser, the API is working now. So we'll go to get API and we'll pass a couple of parameters that we need to test. So we will call get API and then question mark name is equal to name1 and ampersand will pass company is equal to company1. Okay, so this is the value that I'm passing, and this is the variable that I have taken into consideration. So we'll run this and it'll stop in the debug point. So it will show like this. You can see now the request has stopped here. So what I'll do is I'll step over to the next step. I'll say name1 has been captured, company1 has been captured here, and in console if we go, we can see name equal to name1 and then the company name company1, and I'll return get API running. If we go back to the browser, we can see that get API is running. Right now, next what I'll do is I will print the values that I'm sending here. So let's start that. We'll create a return string here. Return str is equal to name1 plus, then we'll give space, and then we'll give the company name too. We can give something like a pipe here, and we'll return this string, return string to the API. Now we'll start the API in debug mode, and we'll go to the browser. We'll open the browser, we'll call the API again with the same params. We'll go back to PyCharm. We have got the prompt here. We can see. We'll open the console part of it. We'll step over to the next step. We have got name1, company1. I have printed both the values, and then I will return the return string. So we have to click on this resume program to return it to the front end of the code. So API as an API response. So we'll click on this, and the API has returned the response, and it has given 200 success. Once again, we'll open the browser, and we can see we have received the output name1, company1 with the pipe. How we have said we have received the exact values. This was query params. Now I will show you how to pass the variables as path variables. For path variables, we will call it here like item1, and then we have to pass the same parameter on the method as args, and then we have to get item1 from request dot view args, and then we can pass it here. So we can just call the argument here item1, and then we'll print it. Now print item1. So I'll just make item1 var here. I'll start the server in debug mode. And call the API. So we can see we are passing the item1 value from item1 in URL param, and we have our regular query parameters also with path variable. So as it is in debug mode, we'll go back and we will see the execution. We'll call this API now. So once I call the API has gone into, it's waiting here. We have to step over. So step over. Now we have got name2, company2, and item1 value as item value, and then I'll print in console item value, company name and company name, and then I'll just return the function. So we can see the output here, what output we have sent, the same output we received. This is the output that I'm sending here. Okay. So in this video we saw path variables and query params, how to extract information which is passed. We can also pass the information from this path variable directly. That is, this item 1 can be passed. Then I'll just paste it, and we can restart the server. Restart the server. We can call the API now. The same parameters. We'll go back to PyCharm. We'll step over. So we can see the item value has been printed for the first one. The second one also it prints. Whichever you feel okay with, you can use this. There are two types you can get the value from the path variable. If you like the content that I am sharing, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you need more information on this, please do comment down below. Thank you so much.